Good morning, friend. Today we are discuss the topic of account. The topic name is accounting assumption. What is the accounting assumption? In the simple word, we can say that accounting assumption that are the rules are made for the accounting and that can be follow to universe. Means, for example, these are the common rules that are prepared by the uh, accountings and that can be helped to present the financial to the universe. For example, there are the some type of assumption is there that all the universe is followed to get the proper financials report that can be matched with the all over the world. Okay, now we should discuss the how many assumptions are there. First assumption is going concern assumption. As its name suggests, going concern assumption said that business is run for the long period. It's not run for the short period. For example, we can consider that if we purchase any machinery for 5 lakh rupees, then we should charge the depreciation for the 15 years. Means 15 years, I take the example, means whether the life of this machine we should charge the depreciation for the 15 years. It's not here we can say that we should charge for the 1 year and after that we should not charge the depreciation. Going concerned assumption said that business is run for the longer period and we should charge the depreciation on every year and we should follow the going concern assumption because business is not means close in 1 year. It's run on the multiple years and this concept is said that. After that, second concept is the consistency concept concern. As its name suggests, consistency concern is said that you should follow the proper consistency of the business. For example, if you are follow means you are calculating the depreciation on the machinery. On first year you should use the straight line method and after second year you should use the written down value method and on the third year you should use again the straight line method. These things is not applicable in this method. You should follow the same method you have used on the first year and you should follow this method to complete 15 years. Means if you don't follow, then you don't get the proper financials and it's mismatch and it's difficult you to compare your financials with year or monthly period. Third is the accrual concept. Accrual concept is simply said that whenever you should incur the revenue, you should book in the books whether you should receive or not. As far as expense concerned, whenever should be incurred, you should be recorded in your book whether you should paid or not. That is the three important concept of accounting assumption. Thank you very much, friend.